How to download and install Snapchat PC. Using Snapchat on a PC or desktop can enhance convenience and productivity, especially for tasks like typing longer messages, managing chats, and editing content. The larger screen and physical keyboard make navigation and communication easier compared to a mobile device. Head to your Microsoft Store in the search bar. Type in Snapchat. Onto this page, click on Install. It will start downloading and installing automatically. Once done, click on Open. You will then enter in your username or email. Go ahead and enter your Snapchat password. Now, since I enabled two-factor authentication on my Snapchat, I'll have to first enter a verification code to access Snapchat on my PC. Now, once done, I'll have full access to Snapchat on my desktop. Well, that's how easy it is to download and install Snapchat on your PC. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.